What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to clean the filter on your Kenmore or Kenmore Elite washing machine. The only thing you're going to need for this job is a cup, some paper towels, and somewhere to clean the filter. And the filter is usually located on the bottom left-hand side of the washer itself, right behind this door. So first be sure to put down your paper towels, then open up the access door, and the filter is going to be on the right-hand side, and there's a drain hose on the left-hand side. Removing this access door is optional, but it makes it a little bit easier. Next, you're going to take the hose and pull it out from the machine and just pull gently, but you should be able to pull out a little bit of slack. And then you're going to remove the cap on the top by simply pulling it out. You may have to twist it a little bit, but it should pull straight out. Then as long as you hold this hose up, no water is going to drain out. As soon as you put the hose down, it'll start draining. As I drained out the water for this filter, there was about 2 cupfuls. So you just want to make sure you drain out as much of the water as possible, because as soon as you open up that filter, any remaining water will come out with the filter. Okay, after you've drained off all the water, you're then going to cap the hose. You do this by placing the cap in the end of the hose and giving it a little twist. Just make sure it's totally seated back down before you place it back into its holder. Next, remove the filter by turning it counterclockwise. Some of these have a child-resistant filter on them, so they require you to press in and turn counterclockwise. But in this case, it does not. And here's what the filter looks like. And you can see just how nasty these filters get. And there's even a screw stuck in this one. So we're going to bring it to the sink and give it a good cleaning. You'll want to use some hot water and some pressure to dislodge any debris. And also take special care to clean the rubber O-ring that's located at the base of the filter. And here's what the filter should look like when it's all clean. Now you can use the paper towel and clean out the filter housing itself. Usually there's some grime in here as well. Also clean the front of the housing itself. This is where the rubber O-ring sits and creates the watertight seal. Then reinsert the filter and turn the cap clockwise until it stops. Then if you took the filter door off, reinstall that. Another tip to keep your washing machine clean is to run the sanitize or the self-clean mode once every month, and do this without any clothes or detergent in the washer itself. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and also check out all my other maintenance videos. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.